Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Computer objective questions and answers for children. Question: an email account includes a storage area, often called dash. A mailbox, B hyperlink, C Twitter, D WhatsApp. Correct answer is A. Mailbox. Question: USB is which type of storage device? A primary, B secondary, C tertiary, D auxiliary. Correct answer is B secondary. Question: RAM is a dash memory. A volatile, B non-volatile, C short, D long. Correct answer is A. Volatile. Question: full form of BMP. A bitmap photo, B bitmap picture, C big motion picture, D back makes picture. Correct answer is bitmap picture. Which is the most powerful in terms of memory? A desktop, B palm top, C tablet, D mainframe computer. Correct answer is D mainframe computer. Question: which computer has the smallest screen? A desktop, B palm top, C tablet, D mainframe. Correct answer is C tablet. Question: which task cannot be performed by a computer? A painting, B play game, C illuminating a room, D calculating. Correct answer is C illuminating a room. Question: find the odd one out. A calculator, B mobile, C electricity, D desktop computer. Correct answer is C electricity. Question: computer cannot A. make no mistake, B. recognized everything, C. typing fast, D. calculating. Correct answer is recognized everything. A. unjumble the word and find out which is not a type of computer. Correct answer is A. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos. Bye bye.